Let's learn IIB. Today we develop a flow that retrieves records from Global Cache. This video is one part of Global Cache video series. Refer previous video to learn about Global Cache and how to load records to Global Cache. We will use browser to invoke message flow with HTTP GET method, and we expect to get XML JAXB object in response. We now have created a way for ESQL to interact with MB Global Map and retrieve values. When we provide employee number is equal to 1 as input, we get employee record from cache. Now we will focus on code and node properties used in the project. Cache function is used multiple times in the project ESQL code. It can convert one data type to another. Screen shows few examples of cached function. Decimal, char, blob conversions are simple. Date and timestamp conversions are tricky. You can create a procedure in ESQL that connects you to .NET Core, Java and database procedure. Today we create a project that connects Global Cache using Java and extract values from Global Cache. In the next video, we will create a flow that updates values that already exist in cache. More concepts such as deleting from cache and clearing entire cache are yet to be demoed. Subscribe to my channel and watch new videos in the series. For one project, one message flow, you would have to fetch multiple values from cache. Let's say you have to fetch target URL and filter rules from cache. You can do that using one cache call from ESQL to Java, which would return an XML as shown in the demo. Or you can do it with multiple ESQL calls. It is multiple calls from ESQL to Java. One call for target URL, which would return string, one call for filter rule, which would return string, and so on. Let me know in comments which option is easier for developers. One call per flow or multiple calls. Reply in comments.